Gattu Chinky becomes Santa. Christmas holidays had started in school, and Gattu and Chinky were very excited to celebrate Christmas. Mummy had also asked Papa to get all the things to decorate the Christmas tree. She was waiting for Gattu Chinky to come back from school. But today, as soon as Gattu Chinky come back from school, they sit on the sofa very quietly. Seeing this, Mummy asks them,
Hey kids, what's the matter? Till yesterday you all were so excited for Christmas holidays, and today, when the school is over, why are you all sitting so serious? What happened?
Mummy, we also want the Santa Claus uniform. Will you get it for us? Yes, Mummy. Can we get it?
What? But why, kids? Did something happen?
Mummy, actually when we were coming back from school, there is a cake shop on the way, from where we always buy the Christmas cake too. There. Gattu, look, there is so much crowd at that cake shop already. Yes, Chinky, Christmas is tomorrow and everyone is already buying cakes today. We will also tell Mummy to buy cake from here today itself. What if it gets finished? It is not like the cake will get finished.
But then Gattu Chinky's eyes fall on a poor girl who was wearing torn old clothes and was standing outside the cake shop. That girl was looking very carefully at the people who were leaving the shop with cake.
Chinky, look at that girl. She looks so sad, doesn't? Yes, Gattu, you're right. Let's go and become friends with her. Yes, this is a good idea, Chinky.
Gattu Chinky go to that girl and ask her,
What are you looking at standing here? That is my house nearby. My mom and dad didn't have money. That is why they can't buy me a cake. I was just passing through here when my eyes fell on this shop. Please don't go and complain about me to the shopkeeper. Otherwise he will scold me. I will leave from here right now.
Gattu Chinky are very sad when they listen to the child.
No, don't be afraid. We will not say anything to anyone. Yes, by the way, where is your house and what is your name? My name is Priya and I live in that hut.
Priya points towards a hut that was made on the other side of the road. But just then, the shopkeeper comes out of the cake shop. And seeing him, Priya runs towards her hut. And Gattu Chinky cannot stop her. And thinking about this, they both come home and sit on the sofa quietly.
Oh, so this happened, children. This is why you both are quiet. But why do you need Santa uniform? What will you do with it?
Mummy, we have decided that this time we don't want any gifts on Christmas. And we won't even cut the Christmas cake. Rather, we will buy a cake for Priya and we will give her our share of gifts too. That too by becoming Santa. Yes, Mummy, just think, when we go to her house as Santa tomorrow on Christmas, that too with cake and gifts, how happy she will be.
Mummy gets emotional after hearing such good thoughts from her children. And she hugs Gattu and Chinky.
Gattu, Chinky, you both are really very smart. I am proud of you. Fine then. We will go shopping together and buy cake and gifts for your new friend Priya. And also, I will buy Santa dresses for both of you. Let's go.
Hearing this, the children become very happy. They both quickly eat food and get ready to go for shopping with Mummy. On reaching there, first of all, Gattu Chinky go to the cake shop.
Mummy, see how good this Santa cake is. No, Gattu, see this cake. It is even better.
Hey kids, take it easy and tell me which one you like. I will buy that cake.
Gattu and Chinky choose the Santa cake after thinking for a while. After that, both of them go to the gift shop. And seeing so many gifts, Gattu and Chinky get very excited.
Chinky, I did not know that it is so much fun to buy gift for someone else. Yes, Gattu, you're right. It feels better to do something for others. We used to cut Christmas cake every time and we get gifts. But how happy Priya will be when she celebrates her first Christmas.
You're right, Chinky. Why don't we buy this doll for her?
Yes, this is nice.
That's fine, kids. I will buy this doll. And along with this, we will also buy a pencil case for Priya. I will get all these gifts wrapped from the shopkeeper uncle.
Mummy gets all the gifts wrapped, and after doing all the shopping, Gattu Chinky return home with their mummy. Papa had already reached home. Gattu and Chinky are excited and tell Papa everything and show him the cakes and gifts they had brought. Wow, kids! All this is very good, and you both are also doing a very good job. Because of this, you will get lots of blessing from God.
Yes, kids. Papa is absolutely right. Now I will keep this cake in the fridge. And you guys keep all the other stuff properly. Okay?
Okay, Mummy.
After doing all this, Gattu Chinky go to sleep. The next day was Christmas. And in the evening, Gattu Chinky wore their Santa uniform and became Santa.
Ho ho ho! Chinky Santa, are you ready? Ho ho ho! Yes, Gattu Santa, I am ready.
It seems both my Santas are ready to distribute gifts. So let's go then.
Yes, Papa.
Papa puts Gattu Chinky in the car and bring them near Priya's hut. Priya was sitting sadly outside her hut and was watching the people coming and going.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, Priya.
Priya jumps with joy, seeing Gattu and Chinky in Santa's uniform.
What? Two Santas at my house? Wow! Ho ho ho! Yes, Priya. And see what we have for you. This is yummy cake and gifts too. Wow! Wow, cake and gifts too for me. I can't believe it. This is really for me. Yes, of course, Priya. Here it is.
Priya's eyes fill with tears, and she takes the cake and gifts from Chinky.
Santa, wait. I will go and call Mummy, Papa and introduce them to you too. No, Priya. Now we have to go to other kids. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Yes. Merry Christmas, Priya. Oh, it's fine. Thank you so much, Santa.
After this, Gattu Chinky quickly return home. As soon as they reach home, Gattu says to Chinky,
How much fun we had today, Chinky. Yes, Gattu. This was the best Christmas of our life.
No, kids. Now this Christmas will be made more special. Go inside. There is one more surprise for you at home.
What? Surprise?
Gattu Chinky quickly go inside the house and see that there was a beautiful Christmas tree in the house. And Dadaji and Dadiji had also come. That too dressed as Santa. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, kids!
Dadaji, you here? Yay!
Gattu Chinky run and hug Dadaji and Dadiji and are very happy.
Kids, how are you?
We are very good, Dadi. And we really liked your surprise. Really. Yes, Dadi, really.
Kids, your mummy papa told us how you helped that little girl and made her happy. That's why we thought, why not we also do something for our kids? Look how many gifts we have brought for you.
And kids, look at this. I have made a Christmas cake with my own hands.
Yay! This Christmas is really our best Christmas till date. Isn't it, Chinky? You are right, Gattu.
After this, Gattu Chinky cut Christmas cake with everyone and also opened their gifts. And then they enjoy with Dada Dadiji for a long time. In this way, Gattu Chinky becomes Santa on Christmas and distribute lots of happiness.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.